Hello friends, welcome to Pharma Study channel with Sapna. Today we will discuss Drugstore Business Management DSBM DPharm second year. In that we will cover second number unit, that is the forms of business organization and important questions which are 90% asked in exam. So we will discuss different questions in detail. So in the exam different types of questions are asked on different subtopics, that is a sole proprietorship, cooperative society, joint stock company and partnership. These are the different forms of business organization. On that questions are asked. Which types of questions are asked in the exam? Types of questions, definitions may be asked for 1 mark or 2 mark. Difference between short answer, long answer. These different types of questions are asked in the exam. I have covered all definitions and difference between with model answer in previous video. Please refer that video for better clarity. Next we will discuss different types of questions. First form is a sole proprietorship. In that they have asked first question, write disadvantages of sole proprietorship. Type of business. Here you have to write the different disadvantages of sole proprietorship and different types of business. For 3 marks it is asked in the summer 19. Second question, state the salient features of sole proprietorship form of business. Here you have to write the different salient features of sole proprietorship of business. Next third question, list various forms of business organization. Write any 6 salient features of joint Hindu family welfare. Here you have to enlist 4 types of business organization, different forms, and then you have to write 6 salient features of joint Hindu family welfare. It is asked in the exam for 4 marks. First mark for the enlisting different forms and 3 marks for the 6 salient features of joint Hindu family features. Next question asked on the sole proprietorship is a discuss advantages and disadvantages of joint Hindu family. Here you have to write the different advantages and disadvantages of a joint Hindu family welfare. Prepare this question also where many times different type questions are asked on this topic, that is joint Hindu family welfare, sole proprietorship. Next we will move towards next slide, cooperative society. State advantages of cooperative society business. Here you have to write the different advantages of cooperative society business. This question is asked for the 3 marks in summer 18. Next question, discuss the salient features of cooperative society, give its advantages and disadvantages. Here also once again ask different advantages and disadvantages of cooperative society, and you have to write the salient features of cooperative society. Next, joint stock company. Here you have to write the define joint stock company. Here you have to write the definition of joint stock company, salient features of joint stock company. This question is asked for 3 marks in summer 13 and summer 18. Next question, define joint stock company, give its 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages. So you have to prepare definition, its salient features, advantages and disadvantages in detail. Next question is asked, that is a difference between joint stock company and partnership firm. This question with model answer I have provided in previous video. Please refer that. Next question, partnership. Next point is a partnership. On this topic different questions are asked. First, mention the salient features of partnership business. Here you have to mention the salient features of partnership. They have asked 6 features for 3 marks. You can write 6 of them. Next, explain various types of partners in partnership form of business organization. Here you have to explain the different types of partners in the business organization. Second question is a enlist various kinds of partner. Here you have to just enlist the various kinds of partners, that is for 1.5 marks, and explain minor partners in detail, and you have to write the detail about minor partners. They have asked this question for 3 marks total. This question is asked in the exam in summer 16. Next question, what is a partnership deed? Here you have to define the partnership deed. I have enlisted the list of different definitions with the model answer. Give any 4 features of partnership organization. This question is asked for 3 marks in summer 16. Next question is define the term firm. Here you have to define the firm. Give advantages of partnership type of organization. And this question is asked for the 3 marks summer 19. Next question is the difference between sole proprietorship and business and partnership business. Sole proprietorship business and partnership business. I have covered these questions in previous video, that is a different definitions, differences with model answer. Refer that video. Next, these different types of questions are asked in the exam, that is for 2 mark questions, important definitions and differences. For that refer Pharma Study with Sapna. I have covered in previous videos different types of questions. Please like and share this video. If you are a new member, then subscribe my channel Pharma Study with Sapna and press bell icon for next videos. If you have any suggestion, then give your suggestion in suggestion box. Thank you.